Tips on how to make your dreams come to life. Even the most motivated among us gets demotivated at times and look for ways to get our motivation back again. We look for different ways to get motivated, like opening search engine and typing motivation. By doing so, we come across numerous videos and infinite motivational quotes that are quoted by successful people. When we go to a library, we see piles of books lined up in bookshelves with success stories of people and what they used to do on a daily basis. We read them and tries to practice them quite often, in search to lead a better life and get accomplished. But the question is, does these things really work for everyone? What part does it play to motivate us to do things that might seem impossible to us? The dreams actually comes into the reach by reading the success stories. Everyone longs for success. And dreams do come true if you try. You have all the power and capability to turn them into reality. All you need is to figure out what things you need to do to reach them. It takes a lot of hard work, determination while you are working on them, because unfortunately, they do not come true overnight. Motivation is influential, yet tricky. Sometimes it is really easy to get motivated, and you find yourself wrapped up in a whirlwind of excitement. Other times, it is nearly impossible to figure out how to motivate yourself and you're trapped in a spiral of procrastination. The most common practice that every successful person does is to follow the footsteps of people who have achieved a lot in their lives. The best thing to do if you have a dream is to chase it. These steps will give you a thorough understanding of what other people did to become successful and reach to a position that they always dreamt of. Smart people don't multitask, multithink instead. You may have heard people telling you not to multitask because it will affect the quality of your work. Well, multitasking not just kills your performance but also damages your brain. Whenever you multitask, you are not just harming your performance, but you are also damaging the most critical part of your brain that is vital for your success in future. According to research, those people who prefer multitasking are less productive than those people who keep the focus on one thing at a time. Experts says that people who are regularly occupied with several tasks at a time cannot stay focused and pay attention, recall information, or switch from one job to another as well as those who focuses at one task at a time. Be like a postage stamp, stick to one thing until you get there. Steve Jobs. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. People who want to be successful should make sure that they stay healthy. If they get sick, that will be a hurdle for them to reach their dreams, so eating well and staying well is vital. The best example of a successful person with a healthy lifestyle is Barack Hussein Obama. He is a self-proclaimed night owl, but he wakes up early to squeeze in a workout before getting into the office at 8:30 a.m. or 9 a.m. Experts says that not only are early risers more positive and hardworking, they also anticipate problems and minimize them more efficiently. Which of course is vital to success in this world. Follow your dreams, work hard, practice and persevere. Make sure you eat a variety of foods, get plenty of exercise and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Sasha Cohen. You can either have a result or excuse, not both. There are always two voices that speak in our heads. One tells us to be motivated, work hard, stay focused and never quit. This is the voice that pushes us to finish tasks before the deadline. On the contrary, the other voice tells us to be lazy, take breaks, procrastinate and spend time on social media or other entertainment activities. When people want to achieve their dreams, their mind gets filled with excuses for why these dreams are impossible to fulfill. To achieve the results and staying motivated, you don't need to ignore your excuses completely. Listen to them, understand why you have them and push yourself forward. These excuses are an opportunity for you to grow and learn. It is easier to move from failure to success than from excuses to success. John C. Maxwell. Winners never quit and quitters never win. No matter how tough it gets, determined people never quit. They know that success will come to them, maybe tomorrow or maybe in 5 years from now. Quitting the goal makes it impossible to reach the goal, so quitting is not even an option for them. The only time they stop is when they ultimately reach their goal and ready to create the next mission. If you believe in yourself and have dedication and pride, and never quit, you'll be a winner. The price of victory is high, but so are the rewards. Paul Bryant. No risk will lead to no reward. A wise man once said, with no risk comes no reward. Those who are successful now at one point had taken risks, went out of their way to do what they once thought was impossible. They know that if they don't work on their dreams, eventually, they will be flooding their minds with questions starting with, what if? Only those who will risk going too far can possibly find out how far it is possible to go. T.S. Eliot. Stay positive. People who are determined to chase their dream have a very positive attitude. They are miles away from negative vibes. If you are negative, it gets harder to reach the dreams since you do not have faith in yourself. Positive thinking will let you do everything better than negative thinking will. Zig Ziglar. You can have results or excuses, not both. There are always two voices that speak in our heads. One tells us to be motivated, work hard, stay focused and never quit. This is the voice that pushes us to finish tasks before the deadline. On the contrary, the other voice tells us to be lazy, take breaks, procrastinate and spend time on social media or other entertainment activities. When people want to achieve their dreams, their mind gets filled with excuses for why these dreams are impossible to fulfill. To achieve the results and staying motivated, you don't need to ignore your excuses completely. Listen to them, understand why you have them and push yourself forward. These excuses are an opportunity for you to grow and learn. It is easier to move from failure to success than from excuses to success. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please feel free to check out more videos, comment, like and don't be shy to subscribe if it's your first time to our channel. You're more than welcome to our family.